step into the Chrysler 2016 Town & Country Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, Garmin, 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, audio memory, CD player, DVD audio and MP3 decoder. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.